Tired of endless searches for a simple way to make money online? You're not alone. Many people spend hours, even days, scouring the internet for reliable methods to earn some extra cash. The good news is, there are plenty of opportunities out there, and we're here to guide you through the top 5 ways to make money online in 2025. Here's a 2025 guide designed just for beginners. Freelancing is booming. The gig economy has never been stronger, and it's a fantastic way to leverage your skills and talents. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there's a place for you in the freelancing world. From writing to graphic design, anyone can get started with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services, making it easier than ever to find work that matches your skill set. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start applying for jobs today. It's important to take the time to build a strong profile and portfolio, as this will be your first impression to potential clients. Highlight your best work, and be clear about what you can offer. Building a portfolio might take time, but landing that first gig is totally possible. Once you get that initial job, it becomes easier to build momentum and gain more clients. Next up, affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. No inventory or shipping needed. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products you love and use. You simply share a link, and if someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Start with products you know and love. This makes it easier to create genuine and convincing content. People can tell when you're passionate about what you're promoting, and this can lead to higher conversion rates. Honest recommendations build trust and lead to better earnings. Trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. The more your audience trusts you, the more likely they are to follow your recommendations and make purchases. How about print on demand? This is a fantastic option for creative individuals who want to turn their designs into products without the hassle of managing inventory. Turn creative ideas into merchandise. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, you can design unique products that people will love. The best part is, you don't have to worry about production or shipping. With Pod, you only pay when a product sells. This means there's no upfront cost, making it a low-risk way to start your own business. You can focus on creating and marketing your designs while the Pod service handles the rest. Platforms like Printify and Printful make it easy by handling the printing and shipping for you. Got skills? These platforms integrate with popular e-commerce sites, allowing you to set up your online store quickly and efficiently. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. Digital products are a fantastic way to share your knowledge and skills with a wider audience. Plus, once you've created the product, it can continue to generate income with minimal effort. Digital products can create passive income over time. Imagine earning money while you sleep. This is the beauty of digital products. They can be sold repeatedly without the need for additional work. Start with free platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, and watch your creations fly off the virtual shelves. These platforms are user-friendly and have a built-in audience, making it easier to get your products in front of potential buyers. YouTube Shorts is a golden opportunity for beginners. Simple videos, huge reach. With the rise of short-form content, YouTube Shorts offers a unique way to reach a large audience quickly. Keep your videos short, informative, and tap into trends to boost your views. The key to success with YouTube Shorts is to create engaging content that resonates with viewers. Look for trending topics and put your own spin on them. Who knows, your next video could go viral. The potential for virality with YouTube Shorts is high, and a single viral video can significantly boost your channel's growth and earnings. These methods work, but consistency is key. No matter which method you choose, it's important to stay consistent. Regular effort and persistence are what will ultimately lead to success. Choose one, take action, and remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but remember that building a successful online income takes time and dedication. Hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly money-making tips. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you navigate the world of online earning. Your journey to financial freedom starts